Good day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Tuesday the 4th of September. It's been a pretty quiet session really, with the US out for the Labour Day holiday. But risk markets remain quietly bid in anticipation of some central bank economic stimulus fairly soon. But generally soft PMI data in Europe saw that the markets didn't get overly excited and kept a bit of a lid on the euro. In addition to this, we had the Spanish region of Andalusia. They became the fourth Spanish region to go to the Madrid government seeking assistance. They need a billion euros. And this comes on top of the three previous regions that did the same last week. So things not looking very easy in Spain at all. So we've got the euro sitting a little bit higher today, 125.95. Dollar yen's pretty much unchanged again at 78.30. Dollar Swiss 95.35, and sterling's a bit stronger. The manufacturing PMI came out a fair bit stronger than expected there, and cable's up at 158.90, but unable at the moment to break above good resistance at 159.10. If it does get above there, there's some stops, and that might drive it towards 160. But at the moment it looks reasonably range bound towards the top end of its range. The Aussie and the Kiwi, they're both soft, of course, following the poor retail sales yesterday, and also the soft Chinese data. The Aussies really made a dead cat bounce. It's a 102.5. Kiwi's above support at 79.60. That's at 79.75. And of course we're now waiting on the RBA later on today. No changes expected there, so I don't think we'll probably see too much from the Aussie today. And possibly for the next 24 hours or so, 102, 103.5 range will cover it. Today sees the US return from the holiday season, and Europe's getting up and running again. It's going to be a pretty hectic September, I think, and it's going to certainly be a bit busy this week. We've got rate decisions from the Bank of England and the ECB on Thursday. And also we've got Mario Draghi speaking, at which point he's expected or anticipated that he'll announce some kind of bond buying program to reduce the borrowing costs of Spain and Italy. And then on Friday we've got the US non-farm and unemployment data. So it's going to be a pretty volatile week all up. And I think next week won't be very much different. So that's about it. Today kicks off with the US, the ISM manufacturing PMI, and I think that could get the ball rolling, and we might see a bit of movement later on this afternoon or later on this evening, Australia time. But that's about it. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the market, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's about it. Have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.